Good morning, good day, and cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a wonderful subset of toys that came our way for January 2024 auction. We're going to go through these from one of our consigners and friends and show you what's coming. But again, this will be on the details will be on AntiqueToys.com, probably in the articles. It will also be on Live Auctioneers, probably November, December. But let's start with the toys. We have a unique art train. We have a Donald Duck, twirling tail, good looking space dog. We have what probably is going to be carpenter style cart. We've got an Oregon, beautiful candy container. We've got lifesavers, beautiful toy. We got a friendship, Hubley, Kilgore, motorcycle, Kilgore Seagull, arcade, 30s fire truck, good looking US bank where the US fights against Spain. Great bank historically. Good old French sidecar vehicle. Bing 10 in the back. Gorgeous and very large AC Williams / Kenton. And I think this is the this is Kenton. This is Kenton Flatiron building at the largest size. Very impressive in person. Mark's Bearcat. You got a good looking Met toy. Coupe. You got one of the hardest to find Lehmann sedans. It's a modest looking truck. Modest looking toy. But it is extremely tough to find. Adam is not shabby. Got a good looking Magician Bank, Teddy Roosevelt, some Marvel cars, killer Fleischmann boxed Esso oil tanker. Those took a lot of work, folks. If you didn't know, all those little bits and pieces to make it an oil transport ship really were hard to make. They didn't do that toy for too often. And this is the variation with the Esso branding on the back. And then for me, the elephant in the room is this gorgeous Sonic or train robot, commonly known with those train crossing lights, and it makes sounds. Part of the Gang of Five. Good looking Bondi Chaparral race car. Great looking Marks. I love that tank. Race car, North and Judd. Globe Bank. This is the German Duet marked Lehmann. Guntherman Bluebird race car. Great looking bank right there with the Indian and the bear. For Black Americana collectors, you've got Dinah. French 305 race boat. Great looking German plane, again by Lehmann. That's Toot's toy set of both cars and trucks. German, what reminds me of a Tipco. Good looking Pinocchio. And then a great unique art Clown and Airplane. So we'll give you a quick moment to absorb. And then another. Here you go, baby. What a good looking toy. We've got some great lithography in the corners. Great cutaway gears. Masudaya's detailing. Primitive grills, primitive nickel and chrome plating. On-off switch. So on and so forth. Okay, so here we have the Lehmann 785. It may not seem that impressive, but it's a nice variation without the front grille saying the name of it. It is flaked, but you know what? It is original. And these days, people value that unadulterated condition. All right, so here's more detailing on it. Nice little celluloid style light in the back to go with the headlights. Lehmann mark. And then on the underneath, you can see it's a European style battery. And now some details behind the Tootsie Toy playtime set. And it's the 5031 on the end of the box. Ooh, what is it? Oh wow, look at that, huh? Truck, bus, fire truck, airplane, farm toy. Got a real nice set here. Moment to absorb. So cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. We have a newsletter on our site at the bottom. Check out our t-shirts and swag and have a great day. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys.